Welcome to the CloudCentral video tutorials. Today we're going to take a look at the click to web call feature on our phone system. Let's get started with this tutorial. The click to web call feature is a button you can place on your website that enables a web-based communications platform to allow customers to reach you from anywhere in the world without the need of any active phone services. It only requires an internet connection and whatever microphone and speaker may be on their phone or laptop. Our click to web call service is very convenient for customers that are temporarily abroad, who oftentimes do not have calling capabilities, yet still need to contact your business. It's also a great tool in a sales flow. Having a warm customer, use it to contact the sales department directly without having to go through the whole interactive voice menu. This service is not to be confused with a call button on a website that simply has a phone number attached to a hyperlink. That type of button only asks the phone to place a call using its current cell network, but it won't work internationally. Implementing our click to web call solution is very easy, since a simple HTML button is fitted with a link that takes your customers to a virtual call. This is what your customer will experience with this feature. The customer will go to your website where you can have a click to web call button available for them. Once they click on it, a new window will open asking them to give the browser permission to access the microphone and speaker. Once they allow, a call will begin connecting them with your business or PBX. If you have any questions or need assistance creating a click to web call button for your business, contact our customer support team. I hope this tutorial was useful for you. Subscribe to our channel for more video tutorials, give us a like to let us know it was helpful. And if you're not using our CloudCentral business tools, visit our website at cloudcentral.com for more information about the many communication tools we offer to help your business become more effective and thus more successful. See you soon.